Welcome to the Compost Channel. Today, we're going to uncover a fascinating secret hidden beneath the Amazon rainforest. Despite its incredibly lush vegetation, the natural soil of the Amazon is surprisingly poor in nutrients. However, scientists have discovered patches of incredibly fertile black soil that run as deep as 2 meters. This soil is called terra preta, an extraordinary agricultural legacy of ancient indigenous people. Their secret was mixing charcoal with everyday organic waste. Thanks to this unique formula, these black soils have remained fertile for over 2,000 years. The existence of terra preta challenges everything we thought we knew about soil regeneration. So why can a simple piece of charcoal create such an incredible agricultural miracle? The answer lies in the unique microscopic structure of this biochar. Under a microscope, biochar looks like a massive but bustling apartment complex. Millions of tiny pores inside the charcoal create the perfect living space for microorganisms. These pores act like underground reservoirs, helping the soil retain moisture during dry seasons. Not only does it hold water, but biochar also retains nutrients extremely effectively for plants. Its high ion exchange capacity helps lock in minerals and prevent them from being washed away by heavy rains. Most amazingly, biochar barely decomposes in nature, lasting for thousands of years. Its stable carbon structure locks away greenhouse gases instead of releasing them into the atmosphere. That's why biochar is considered a powerful solution in the fight against global climate change. But before you start spreading charcoal in your garden, there are some critical rules you must follow. Never use charcoal briquettes or industrial grilling charcoal in your garden. These types contain harmful chemicals and binders that can kill beneficial microbes. Real biochar must be made by burning wood or rice husks in a low-oxygen environment. This pyrolysis process removes impurities and leaves behind a pure, lightweight, porous carbon structure. Another common mistake is adding raw, untreated biochar directly into the soil. Raw biochar acts like a dry sponge, absorbing nutrients and water from plant roots. This can cause your plants to wilt and become severely nutrient deficient at first. That's why you must charge your biochar before adding it to your soil. Charging is simple. You just soak it in compost tea or diluted urine. This soaking process fills the pores with beneficial microbes and rich nutrients. After a few weeks of conditioning, that lifeless charcoal becomes a powerful biological booster. When mixed into the soil, it slowly releases nutrients to feed plants for decades. This technique is amazing, but do you know why it's still controversial? Some headlines claim that making biochar at home is illegal. In reality, environmental laws in many places prohibit open burning of organic waste. Traditional charcoal burning methods can produce a lot of smoke and harmful emissions. Authorities worry that widespread DIY production could seriously impact air quality. To stay safe and legal, you should use specialized kilns with proper emission control systems. Another big question is why large agricultural corporations seem to ignore biochar. The real reason lies in economics and the massive profits of the fertilizer industry. Biochar is an ancient technique. No one can patent or monopolize it. No patent means no exclusive profits for major chemical companies. On top of that, biochar only needs to be applied once but can last for centuries. That goes completely against the business model of selling chemical fertilizers every year. If farmers permanently improve their soil, fertilizer companies lose repeat customers. So there's little financial incentive for them to fund research or promote biochar. Still, the power of biochar is spreading rapidly within the organic farming community. Gardeners are building low-smoke kilns to produce biochar right at home. By using pruned branches, they clean up their gardens while creating black gold for the soil. When combined with compost, we're recreating the 1,000-year-old magic of the Amazon. Barren soil can quickly come back to life after just one growing season. Plant roots grow deeper and stronger, weaving into the porous charcoal to absorb nutrients. crop yields can skyrocket without a single drop of harmful chemical fertilizers. Even more, every kilogram of biochar buried in the soil helps protect the atmosphere. Instead of being released, large amounts of carbon are safely stored underground for centuries. This isn't just a gardening method, it's a mission to help restore the planet's ecosystems. We're rediscovering the wisdom of ancient people who lived in harmony with nature. Soil is not an endless resource to exploit day after day. It's a living system that needs to be nourished, cared for, and enriched with genuine intention. Start small. Collect fallen branches and turn them into porous biochar. Soak and condition them well with compost to awaken billions of dormant microbes. Mix this magical blend into your garden and patiently watch the transformation unfold. The soil will become looser, earthworms will return, and plants will thrive like never before. This closed-loop organic recycling system is the key to a sustainable future. Every small garden restored helps heal the wounds of our planet. It's time to move away from chemical dependence and return to ancestral wisdom. By using biochar, you're continuing the legendary story of the mysterious Terra Preta soil. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the secrets beneath the earth. Don't forget to subscribe to the Compost channel for more helpful videos on sustainable agriculture.